Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitter and location of their nuclear group. So this includes the neurotransmitter norepinephrine. So in case of norepinephrine, the location of the nuclear group, it includes the locus ceruleus. So locus ceruleus, and then when you look at the serotonin, it includes the raphe nuclei. The serotonin is the raphe nuclei. Next is looking at the dopamine. The dopamine, it includes the substantia nigra as well as the ventral tegmental area. Substantia nigra and the ventral tegmental area. Now we move on to the acetylcholine. So here in acetylcholine, there is the location is the basal forebrain complex. Then looking at GABA, the GABA, it includes the nucleus accumbens, and there is also the presence of histamine. So histamine is nothing but location of the nuclear group is going to be the hypothalamus. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.